Hey guys, welcome into today's video. We're going to do a quick few-minute deep dive chart analysis technically on NIO, and we're going to talk about where we can see the price going in the next couple of days, and especially where the price target for the long term is, again, if you are a long-term shareholder. If you like videos like this, because this is a different style to how I would normally do a long video, then please let me know below in the comments. It is really important that you guys go down there and let me know, because I will start doing this every single day for some of our favorite stocks on the channel if enough people have spoken up. And be sure, guys, to make sure that that like button is also checked in, and also you hit that big red subscribe button below. It's free and you'll never miss an episode on here. So NIO has actually come down to $44 on the day. It was up almost 2% from yesterday. You can see that we have technically drawn on a very nice sharp resistance layer, which is the highs of NIO when it was back in February of around $64 to $63. That we have a very low support, guys, which was tested 4 times before only passed out around that 32 price range. And again, we did actually then break up. We have a new mid-range support and resistance level, the support being around that $42 mark, and that high-end resistance, as we can see here on the blue line, of $55. Now, what I am looking for in the long term is for that share price to obviously increase as we start to ramp up those delivery numbers, because JAC Motors have now doubled their manufacturing facility, which means in the long term, NIO are going to be producing twice the amount of vehicles, which is a 2x from the current numbers that they are manufacturing. And as we have growth, guys, coming into Europe and also outside of China and potentially into the US over the next 2 years, we are going to see a shift of this innovation space into electrical vehicles, and we have the autonomous ride-hailing aspect in Asia as well. So if we look at the RSI, you can see that we did actually break down to a very clear level of support, hitting around that 30 layer, which is where we can see technically that things have been oversold. Now we are looking on to test the 200 SMA line, which is this big purple line here, and that is the 200-day moving average, guys. And we can see that NIO is now starting to trend and bounce off that line, which does go to show me again that that is a secondary layer of support. So it does look like, guys, we have found another layer of support for NIO in that mid-range around that $42 price range. Now NIO could potentially break down if we don't get good delivery numbers in their next month's report, but we will have to wait and see how they do when we do have that information out in just less than 2 weeks from today, which will be very, very exciting. I am very excited to find out always about that type of news. So over the next 4 hours, guys, once the market's open, I will expect NIO to move around that price range of $44 to about $46, because that is where the 50 SMA line is. So we can use the 50 and 200-day moving averages as an indicator on the day for those technicals to line up with support and resistance. So if you are someone that is looking to day trade NIO, then again, you probably get in around that $43 to $42 mark if we dip down, and that is a nice potential place for entry to get that 5-6% upside and sell it, obviously, if you are going to just be day trading. Or if, again, there is on trading 2 and 2, you can actually do a 2 or 3x on those NIO shares. So you actually would probably be making about 20% in the space of a few days, which would be very, very nice for a gain. But again, that does hold some extra risk. But I will be looking to retest those highs, guys, over the next weeks once we do have those delivery numbers out, and once we break above that 50-day moving average, we can expect NIO to retrade around that $46 price range up until about $50. And again, if we do have some extraordinary numbers, then we will be seeing those highs again at $55. But in the long term, guys, my price target for NIO is well in the triple digits, because I am a true believer that this stock has 5 to 10x potential, just due to the fact that this market is only just at the base of the S-curve right now. And if you imagine, electrical vehicle sales are only about 4.5 million right now in 2021. By the year of 2025, guys, it is estimated that obviously electrical vehicles are supposed to be in about 35 to 45 million by the time we get up here, and that is every single year. So we are going to see a 5 to 10x in the current manufacturing state of companies like NIO, which is going to push them into higher ground of profitability. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this video today. If you did, then be sure to smash that like button for me, and also let me know down below in the comments. And again, I look forward to seeing you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. If you want access to any of my buy and sell alerts privately, then be sure to join the link to the private Patreon, which I will leave in the description below. Have a fantastic day, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. Yeah.